What if Earth didn't explode? What if it didn't shatter apart? What if it simply drifted closer? Not suddenly, not violently, but slowly and permanently. This is Earth, past the point of no return. For billions of years, Earth has existed in balance. At a precise distance from the sun. Too far, and the planet freezes. Too close, and it burns. Earth sits perfectly in between, where water remains liquid, where clouds form and rain falls, where life is possible. Every civilization depends on this distance. A thin layer of air protects everything, filtering heat, blocking radiation. A system refined by time. But balance is fragile. Even a small change matters. And today, the drift begins. At first, no one notices. Life goes on as usual. But the clock has started. The change is microscopic at first. Sunrises still look the same. But seasons begin to shift. Average temperatures quietly rise. Heat becomes harder to escape. The poles feel it first. Ice retreats year by year. White turns to blue. The oceans absorb the heat, storing energy deep below. Storms grow stronger. Cities trap the heat. Survival becomes harder. Crops fail under stress. Ecosystems fall out of rhythm. The changes accelerate. Earth continues drifting inward. The atmosphere thickens. More heat gets trapped. Cool zones disappear. Water begins to evaporate faster. A threshold approaches. There is still time, but not much. This is the moment it changes. Earth crosses the point of no return. There is no turning back. Heat becomes trapped. Oceans absorb more energy than ever before. Their temperature rises relentlessly. Heat sinks deep below the surface. A runaway greenhouse effect begins. Water vapor fills the sky, trapping even more heat. Weather systems collapse. Sea levels surge rapidly. Civilization begins to retreat. Plants struggle to survive. Oxygen production falls. Animal life disappears. The planet grows quiet. Then the oceans boil. The sky turns to steam. Earth begins to resemble Venus. Surface temperatures skyrocket. Water is torn apart. Hydrogen escapes into space. The water is gone forever. Earth becomes a scarred world. The atmosphere begins to collapse. Radiation floods the surface. The crust destabilizes. Earth is no longer habitable. The sun dominates everything. The journey cannot be reversed. Earth is trapped. Time moves forward. But the past is gone. Only heat remains. This is the new Earth. The transformation is complete. There is no life left. Only traces of an atmosphere remain. The surface is exposed. Even the planet's fury fades. The oceans are gone. They exist only in memory. The sky is empty. No wind, no rain. Earth bears permanent scars, yet the planet still moves. The universe does not react. Days pass, then years. The surface slowly cools, not into life, but into stillness. There are no witnesses. Everything built is erased. An entire world ends without sound, without ceremony. One planet among billions, once alive, now completely silent. This is Earth's final state. But this is not the end. Because this story hasn't happened yet. For now, Earth is still alive. Balanced, fragile. Everything we know exists here. Every memory, every story. All held together by a delicate balance. A balance that can be broken. The universe doesn't protect worlds. For now, Earth remains. Let's keep it that way. In our next journey, we'll follow Earth as the sun itself begins to change. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button.